Hi guys, good afternoon to everyone again. Basically I wanted to talk about the diamonds and that top 10 most expensive diamond brands. So what are the diamonds? Diamonds basically that very famous for their cuts and their clarity, their color and their cost. So that overall the most of the diamonds are full of with clarity, and that's D colors, which is a colorless. So diamonds are girls' best friend, and it emphasizes the beauty and the strength. So now let me start from the bottom to top. So at the bottom line, that most expensive diamond brand is the Orange, which cost 32 million euros. So excuse me, this 14.82 carat, that bright orange diamond, that it's break a world record when it is sold for 32 million euros in the year of 2013. And it's also surprises the world because of its that orange color and the size. And after that it comes to the Princey, which cost like 33 million euros. And this pink color 34.54 carat diamond has been known for 300 years, and it was discovered in the Golconda mines in India, and then it was bought from the Hyderabad royal family in 1960 years by jewelers called Van Cleef and Arpets, and who named this diamond called the Princey. And then it comes to a like a graft vivid pink, a rectangular 24.78 carat diamond classified by the Gemological Institutes of America as a fancy vivid pink. And that top classification of this saturation it's known for. And Mr. Lawrence Graf, the king of the bling, who bought the diamond, and which has been that placed on a ring for 38.7 million euros. And after that it comes to a pink star. So this bright pink beauty, formerly known as the Steinmetz pink, and it is the largest pink diamond